self, because self-control is very important. Self-control or dhyana is a technique where you gain control over your own senses, your own mind. So that is the most important aspect of our therapeutic application. Because of our indriyas going out of control, because our mind is not under our control, everything is going to happen. All negativity is because of our uncontrolled mind, uncontrolled sense organs. That is what we saw even in the previous chapters and all. Yada samharate chayam kurmo anganima sarvashaha. That means how a turtle or tortoise is going to withdraw its head, all the limbs, 4 limbs in the shell, and which is always safe. So how do you do that? How do you withdraw your sense organs? Because our sense organs are always dangerous. It is good to enjoy the senses, but at the same time, we need to have control over that. So, how do we gain control over these sense organs? That is the 6th chapter, which is going to give us. It's around 43 verses, 47 verses are there in this chapter. But I will give you highlights of this, all these chapters coming now. Not each and every shloka. Till 5 chapters I went almost every shloka. But that is another my weakness. If I start teaching, no, I never feel like leaving even one shloka. But how to manage this? I have to control myself and skip some of those unimportant things. Whatever 700 shlokas Krishna told, no, everything is important. In this 700 concised collection by the Vedavyasa, what Vedavyasa? 574 verses were spoken by Krishna, 41 verses by Arjuna. See, these are the details. How many verses are there? Shri Krishna speaking, Bhagavan Vacha, 574 verses. 574 means, see, 574 is also a beautiful number. Now, wherever I see numbers, my mind goes to the philosophical connectivity. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. What is that 16? Jiva Sankhya. Jiva Sankhya. 16 is the number, Jiva Sankhya. Is it not? So that is the reason why Krishna's message was intended to all the souls. 16 is the number. 16 is the number and 16 is the soul, Jiva. Is it not? That's what I told you earlier. That is why we have Shodasha Samskaras. 574 verses meaning means it is intended to souls only. सिर्फ जीवियों के लिए, मनुष्य जीवियों के लिए ही कहा है ये सब, अर्जुन को सामने रख के. Arjuna is just an instrument there. Krishna says further, like bows and arrows. Bow and arrow is an instrument in your hand, Arjuna. You can use whenever you want, however you want, whichever the arrow you want, you can select and use it through your bow. Like bow and arrow is instrument in your hand, you are an instrument in my hand, Krishna says. So you are an instrument in my hand. I will use you however I want. That is why Krishna is using Arjuna here to give message to the whole human community. That is why this Dhyana Yoga or Atma Sanyama Yoga is directly connected to the human beings. That is why. Let us see. Anashritah karma phalam karyam karma karoti yaha. Sri Bhagavan Vacha. Krishna continues his message. स सन्यासी च योगी च न निरग्निर्न चाक्रियः अनाश्रितः कर्मफलम, one who does not depend on or one who does not take shelter in karmaphala. That means one who has no intention of going behind the fruits of the action. Anashritaha. Ashrita means जो आश्रय लेता है. अनाश्रितः means one who does not take shelter, जो आश्रय नहीं लेता है. कहां नहीं लेता है? कर्म फलम, कर्म फलों में जिनका इच्छा नहीं है, कर्म फलों में जिनका बुद्धि नहीं जाता है. अनाश्रित कर्म करम कर्म फलम कार्यम कर्म करोति यह, वन हु डज एक्शन विदाउट इंटेंडिंग फॉर द फ्रूट्स ऑफ द एक्शन. स सन्यासी च, ही इज ओनली सन्यासी, ही इज ओनली योगी. नाउ यू नो द डेफिनेशन ऑफ योगा. What is the definition of yoga? One who follows this activity, this beautiful feature or the lakshana. What is that lakshana? One who does not go behind the fruits of the action. He is really sannyasi. Tell me, with this definition, is there any real sannyasi now? Is there any real yogi? Then why do you put your name in before your name Yogacharya? Nobody is eligible to put the word Yogacharya. Just because you are able to flex your body, you are not a yogi. Just because you are able to exhibit your body flexion, flexibility and all, you may get gold medal. But that doesn't mean that you are a yogi. यही भ्रम है, हमारे लोगों में यही भ्रम डाल दिया है. योगा मीन्स जिसका बॉडी बहुत अच्छी तरह से रबर से जैसे बेंड होता है, वही बड़ा योगी है. अरे कौन बोला? योगी का स्पेलिंग तक नहीं जानता है वो. सो दैट इज व्हाट इज दिस डेफिनेशन ऑफ ए योगी. अनाश्रितः कर्म फलम, जो कर्म फलों में इच्छा नहीं रखते हुए जो भी कर्म करेगा, वन हु डज द एक्शन विदाउट एक्सपेक्टिंग एनी रिजल्ट फ्रॉम दैट एक्शन. यू मे आस्क क्वेश्चन, कौन करेगा सर ऐसा काम? बोलिए. जो काम करता है उसका फल का इच्छा नहीं रखता है, ऐसा कोई आदमी ही नहीं है दुनिया में. दिस इज व्हाट इज द रियलिटी ऑफ a common man and a real yogi. Yogi will continue to act, but he does not go behind the fruits. काम करेगा वो, मगर वो कर्तव्य समझ कर करेगा. उससे क्या मिलेगा मुझे? What will I get from that? No. He is not even bothered about that. He is the real yogi. Sa sannyasi cha yogi cha. I will tell you another lakshana of a sannyasi. Sannyasi means one who sacrifices everything. Okay. कहां तक? अग्नि तक. He is not eligible to do havana also. Sannyasi, he is not eligible to sit in front of the yagna as kartru. No. A sannyasi cannot do yajna because he is niragni. वो अग्नि को त्यागा है. अग्नि को त्याग कर अपना आत्मश्राद्ध भी कर चुका है. जीते जी वो अपना ही आत्मश्राद्ध कर चुका है. One who does already shraddha for himself, he is sannyasi. That is the lakshana. Na niragni na chakriyah. Sannyasi means not just because he is not eligible to do agni karma or yajna karma. He should be anashritah karma phalam. Na niragnir na chakriyah. Just by not doing anything, you will not become a sannyasi. मैं सन्यासी हूं, एक जगह बैठ जाता हूं पेड़ के नीचे या पेड़ के ऊपर बंदर के तरह. ऐसे बैठने से सन्यासी थोड़ी बनेगा. बंदर भी आंख बंद कर कर ध्यान करेगा, तो इसका मतलब बंदर भी सन्यासी है क्या? नहीं. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. अनाश्रितः कर्म फलम. डोंट गो बिहाइंड द फ्रूट्स ऑफ द एक्शन. The same thing is told there. Yam sannyasam prahuhu yogam tam vidya Pandava. That is only yoga. What is the feature of a sannyasi? is the same feature of a yogi also. So that means there are no real yogis in the present world, because no one is going to fit into this definition of yoga or sannyasa. So we are not real sannyasis, duplicate, and we are all duplicate yogis. ढोंगी, इसलिए ढोंगी बाबा ज्यादा होते, ढोंगी बाबा, ढोंगी योगी. जो योगी है ना, वो सामने बोर्ड नहीं लगाएगा, यम नियम आसन प्राणायाम प्रत्याहार धारण ध्यान समाधि अष्टांग योग एक्सपर्ट सो एंड सो योगाचार्य. जो बोर्ड लगाता है ना, वो योगी नहीं है. जो योगी है वो बोर्ड नहीं लगाता है. He will never put any advertisement or any board in front of his house. I am so and so अष्टांग योग निरत आचार्य so and so. जो बोर्ड लगाता है वो योगी नहीं है. जो योगी है वो बोर्ड कभी नहीं लगाएगा. He will never. No propaganda. Why? Why you should do propaganda? Not necessary. जो हम नहीं है उसको दिखाने के लिए हम बोर्ड लगाते हैं. That means we exhibit what we are not. There is no need for exhibitionism. Yoga and sannyasa is not meant for exhibitionism. जो कोई देखे या ना देखे, if somebody is going to observe you or not observe you, or nothing is important publicly. It is a personal. You know very well inside you, and your God inside you knows what you are. दुनिया को क्या दिखाना है? No need to show it to the world. You know what you are inside, है ना? So therefore, आरुरुक्षोर्मुनेर योगम कर्म कारणमुच्यते योगारूढ़स्य तस्यैव कर्म कारणमुच्यते. One who is intending to climb to the state of yoga. So karma is going to be the most important tool where nishkama karma is going to come into picture. Yogarudasya tasyaiva, one who has already elevated to the state of yoga, shamaha karanamuchyate. Shama means what? Shamadamadi sampatti. Shama means shamo mannishtata buddhehe. One who has control over his mind is only shama. Shamo mannishtata buddhehe. Recently, I have posted a beautiful notes, 60-70 pages notes of Bhagavad Gita done by your classmate. So beautiful. He has gone into the depth of the whole topic. Whatever, even one word I say, no, that has been inculcated there. Please go through. It is a lifetime notes actually. ये एग्जाम के लिए नहीं है. एग्जाम के लिए तो थोड़ा बहुत कुछ पढ़ के पास हो जा सकते हैं. But that is a lifetime notes for you. So whatever is posted, I have seen the correction and only some little thing. Correction was there, not much. But it is a wonderful way of writing things there. So please follow that. That will be one of the most important guide for all of you to understand what is that therapy aspect which is there in Bhagavad Gita. So therefore, one who is already there in the yoga state, shamo mannishtata buddhehe. That means one who has the ability to overpower your own mind. Now we are overpowered by our own mind. Our mind is overpowering us. जैसे हमारा मन बोलता है ना, वैसे उसके पीछे भागते हैं हम. क्या करना है? आज क्लास नहीं जाना है, चलो आ गया, कोई नहीं आ गया, सामने का बेंच खाली है. क्योंकि दे आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय माइंड. माइंड सेज अरे रोज क्या जाना है क्लास में, अरे नहीं हो, वीडियो इज देयर ना, वीडियो देखेंगे बाद में. ये क्या गारंटी? कौन गारंटी दे तुम जिंदा रहोगे? अजरामरवत प्राज्ञः विद्याम अर्थंच साधयेत गृहीत इव केशेषु मृत्युना धर्मम आचरेत. So we need to be very, very cautious because we don't know what is going to happen next. So don't waste any time anywhere. That is why this message of yoga rudasatasyaiva shamakkaranam. Then, yada hinendriyartheshu na karmasvanusajjate sarvasankalpa sannyasi. Sarvasankalpa sannyasi sannyasaha. Yoga rudastadochyate. Yoga ruda, the state of that highest yoga state is Sarva Sankalpa Sannyasa. Sarva Sankalpa means all the desires sacrifice. When you sacrifice all the desires, then only you are eligible to claim that Yoga Rudha. Is it not? In Hatha Yoga Pradipika, what is the Mangala Shloka? Om Shri Adinathaya Namostu Tasmai Yenopadishta Hatha Yoga Vidya Vibhrajate Purunnata Raja Yogam Arodhumicho. That Aruda, that is what is Yoga Ruda here. Remember, see, your mind should be always going where to connect this. Already you learned Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Aruda. Aruda means one who is intending to climb that state. Therefore, what one must do? Uddhared Atmanatmanam, most important shloka of this chapter. Uddharet Atmanatmanam, you have to help yourself. That is why in English we have a beautiful saying, God will help to those who help themselves. है ना? भगवान किसको सहाय करेगा? Who is going to get help from God? Only one who is ready to help himself. Uddharet, this statement English is taken from Bhagavad Gita only. Uddharet Atmanatmanam. You have to uplift yourself. Nobody, don't expect anyone to come and lift you. Nobody in this world is going to come and help you to lift. Nothing doing. You have to help yourself. In Kannada, there is a kagga, Mankutimana kagga. ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಣವನ್ನು ನೀನೇ ಹೊತ್ತು ಸಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಾ ತಮ್ಮ ಬಾ ಎಂದಳುವಿ ಏಕೋ. जो कन्नड़ा जानता है ना वो अच्छा तरह से समझेगा. This is the most beautiful Mankutimana Kagga, DVG, where he says, you have to lift your own dead body. Who will come to lift your dead body? Nobody. Ninna henavanu neene hottu sagabeku. You have to lift your own body. Why you are crying, oh brother, please come, Anna ba, Tamma ba, yendaluvi eko. What a beautiful Mankutimana Kagga, DVG, DV Gundappa. He is one of the best prolific writer of philosophy in simple Kannada. All Upanishads. It is the Upanishad versions, Mankutimana Kagga. So, all Kannadiga must read that. So, where Krishna says, Uddhared Atmanatmanam, you have to help yourself. Na Atmanam avasadayet. Never underestimate yourself. Don't ever underestimate yourself. Na Atmanam avasadayet. बहुत लोग मरने के लिए तैयार हैं आजकल. लाइन में लगा रहते हैं. I want to suicide myself. सुसाइड करने के बाद कहां जाओगे? धोबी का कुत्ता बनोगे, न घर का न घाट का. बिकॉज यू विल नॉट हैव द बॉडी ऑल्सो. ऊपर भी कोई नहीं लेगा आपको. आप बीच में त्रिशंकु बन जाएंगे, सबको सता के. यू विल स्टार्ट ट्रबलिंग एवरीवन. सो दैट इज वाई whatever may be the problems in your life, don't decide to end this body, because you have no right to end this body. Na atmanam avasadayet, because आत्मैव ही आत्मनो बंधुः आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः. आपका बहुत बड़ा दोस्त जो है ना आपके अंदर ही है. Who is the best friend? Don't look out anywhere. There is no best friend in this world outside. Your best friend is inside you only. आपके अंदर ही है. अरे थोड़ा अंदर झांक के देखो ना थोड़ा. कैसे देखेंगे सर? आंख ही नहीं है हमारा. आंख भगवान ने दे दिया जो बाहर ही बाहर देखेगा. भगवान बहुत बड़ा नटखट है. भगवान ने सच्चाई अंदर छुपा दिया, मगर देखने वाला आंख जो है बाहर ही दे दिया. सिर्फ बाहर देखने वाला आंख. Only you can see outside. You cannot see inside. To see inside, what you have to do? Close your eyes. बाहर का आंख बंद करो भाई, वही चैप्टर है ये। कैसे आंख बंद करके कैसे अंदर झांक के देख सकते हैं? हाउ कैन वी सी इनसाइड? दिस इज द ब्यूटी ध्यान योगा। इसलिए कोई भी मेडिटेशन सिखाएगा, आंख खोल के मेडिटेशन करो, क्या करेगा? लड़की लड़का को देखेगा, लड़का लड़की को देखेगा, बस कुछ नहीं। मेडिटेशन करने के लिए यू हैव टू क्लोज ऑल योर आउटवर्ड इंद्रियास, क्लोज योर आईज फर्स्ट। Nobody will teach you. Open your eyes, meditate. What you will meditate? Nothing. So, uddared atmanatmanam na atmanam avasadayet atmaiva hi atmano bandhuhu atmaiva ripuratmanaha. If you think that yourself inside is your enemy, that is enemy. If you think that he is the best friend, he is best friend. So your mind is the most important. Manayeva manushyanam karanam bandhamokshayoho. That is why your mind is the best friend in you. So never decide to take any extreme steps, because you have no right over this body at all. Is it not? बंधुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जितः अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तेत आत्मैव शत्रुवत्. If you think that your friend is there inside, he will always help you, definitely you will get help. If you think that he is your enemy, he is your enemy. That's all. Jitatmana prashantasya. So control, gain control and conquer yourself. Be cool. Then only you will develop that tranquility between heat and cold. Shitoshna sukadukasya. Tatha manapamanayoho. Oh, this is very important. मान और अपमान में you have to maintain balance. किसी ने हमें बहुत बड़ा चढ़ा के थोड़ा प्रेज कर दिया तो हम ऊपर उड़ना शुरू करेंगे. We are going to fly in the air. Our feet will not be on the ground only if somebody is going to praise us. No, be grounded. And किसी ने आपको इंसल्ट कर दिया, अपमान कर दिया तो गया, आदमी मरी जाएगा उधर ही. So he is unable to control both insult तथा माना अपमानयोः. You have to have balance. That is where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says in Chaitanya Shikshashtaka, Tarorapi Sahishnuna Amaninam Manadena Kirtaniya Sada Harihi. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Chaitanya Shikshashtaka is a beautiful thing, where he says you have to develop that tolerance like a coconut tree. Tarorapi Sahishnuna. Coconut tree, how much of atrocities it is going to bear? Heat, cold, wind, rain, everything. इतना झुकता है फिर भी खड़ा रहता है लंबा सा, है ना? Even then, in spite of all the problems in life, you have to stand tall. That is the beautiful example of coconut tree. Look into the coconut tree and learn. Tarorapi se Krishnuna amaninam manadena. आप मान सम्मान सबको दो, मगर don't expect respect from anybody. अमानिना, आप सबको मान दो, एक चींटी को भी. Even for an ant you give respect, but you don't in return expect any respect. No, not necessary. How can you be? Amanina manadena. So that means you are lower than grass. Trunadapi sunichena. I am lower than grass. Grass is the lowest thing on this earth which it can be there. है ना? मैं घास से भी नीचे हूं. Oh, think that you are lower than the grass. Trunadapi sunichena. Oh, this is the beautiful thing. Ma tatha manapamanayoho. Krishna is telling here. Jnana Vijnana Triptatma Kutasto Vijitendriya Yukta Ityuchate Yogi Samaloshtashma Kanchanaha. See, how much ever you are going to do sadhana, your intention between the mud, a stone and a gold. Sama Loshta. Loshta means mitti ka gola. Mitti ka gola. Chota sa mitti ka gola. और पत्थर और सोना, इन तीनों में कोई फर्क नहीं होना चाहिए. नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन ए बॉल ऑफ मड, ए स्टोन एंड गोल्ड. अगर हमको सामने कहीं सोने का एक गहना अगर नीचे गिर गया तो क्या करेंगे? इधर उधर देखेंगे, कोई नहीं देख रहा है, जेब में उठाओ, बस. दिस इज द डिफरेंस. This is the difference. A yogi or a sannyasi or a person who is in the state of yoga, he will never make the difference between gold and mud and as well as stone. It is same. He is only Avadhuta. There was one Avadhuta he had come to this campus also in the year 1996. Ramachandra Bhatt. Not this Ramachandra Bhatt ji. Ramachandra Bhatt Puttur. He was an Avadhuta, Putturajja. I don't know who is from Mangalore side, Putturu. Nobody. So he was called as Putturajja. His name was Ramachandra Bhatt. He used to say, many people will come to near me and they will give money. I cannot hold money. If I hold money, I feel something is burning in my hand. This is his experience. I can't touch money, he says. So this is Avadhuta Charya. Sama, Loshta, Ashma, Kanchana. Gold, stone and even a mud ball. There is no difference. Sama, Loshta. ऐसा हमारा मन होना चाहिए. मगर हमारा मन ऐसा नहीं है. Krishna is telling, this is what is going to make you. Suhrun mitrar yudasina madhyasta dvesha bandhushu sadhushvapi cha papeshu samabuddhir vishishyate. Don't have that bias. Don't have that partiality between anybody. Samabuddhir vishishyate sadhushu apicha papeshu. There are many people, punyajivi, papajivi. Yes, don't just neglect papajivi or don't just support the punyajivi also. Don't have that biased things. Samabuddhir vishishyate between these two. You should feel pity for those people who are sinners. Oh God, please forgive them. This was exhibited by Jesus. When he saw the sinners crucifying him and hitting him, he did not feel anything against them. He just said, oh God, these people don't know anything. What they are doing, just forgive them. This is what the development of that compassion, you get it against the sinners. Don't hate them also, because they are in ignorance. वो तो अज्ञानी है. अरे उनका अज्ञान को माफ करो भगवान, उनको थोड़ा अच्छा बुद्धि दो, बस यही प्रार्थना आपको करना है. सामा बुद्धिर विशिष्यते साधुषु अपिच पापेषु. So with this kind of thing, if a person is doing sadhana, ekaki yata chittatma nirashihi aparigraha, without any desires, without any acceptance from anybody. Yes, you should develop this kind of attitude, aparigraha. In yama, that is one, no? Ahimsa, satya, asteya, brahmacharya, aparigraha, yamaha. You just by heart, that's all, but you can't follow that. Aparigraha. Aparigraha means not taking anything from anybody. Zindagi kaise jiyega aadmi? Oh, this is what is yama. We are going to be unfit. We are not going to be successful in yama and niyama only. Then what to speak of asana pranayama? Nowadays, all yoga classes starts with asana. But they don't know even after getting 200-hour certification what is yama, what is niyama. So this is where we are leading in yoga. We think that only asana, pranayama, kriya, mudra, bandha, samadhi. Samadhi में क्या जाएगा? Samadhi का नजदीक भी नहीं जाएगा. Because you don't know what is yama and niyama only. Aparigraha is very important. Nirashihi aparigraha. So for this you need to do what type of sadhana? Shuchau deshe pratishtapya. This is what is the environment for a yogi for meditation. You have to select a very clean place. Shuchau deshe pratishtapya. Sthiram asanam atmanaha. Then after following yama niyama, then come to the sthiram asanam. Sthiram sukham asanam. Sthira sukham asanam. That is what Patanjali says. He has been, I told you already, Take Bhagavad Gita as a motivator for Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Start connecting everywhere. The sutras of Patanjali and shloka of Bhagavad Gita. Here, Sthira Sukham Asanam, that sutra is motivated by Sthiram Asanam Atmanaha. Come on. What a beautiful topics I am giving you for your dissertation. Take Bhagavad Gita as the motivator because Bhagavad Gita came first. Then Patanjali Rishi came next after 2500 years later. So he has taken Bhagavad Gita as the motivation for everything. So every Bhagavad Gita shloka is behind the Patanjali Yoga Sutra manifestation. How? You have to read. You have to do samanmaya. This is what is one samanmaya here. Natyuchritam natinicham chailajina kushottaram. Your position on the ground must not be very high or very low. So it should be grounded. Natyuchritam natinicham. And you have to sit on chailajina kushottaram. Darbhasana. You should sit on the grass mat. Dry grass mat. It is available in Amazon. You can order. Now only I am telling. Yeah, Amazon में तो सब कुछ बेचने के लिए तैयार है वो. आपको गोबर चाहिए? हाँ, Amazon में ऑर्डर करो ना, गोबर चाहिए बोल के. तो लाके गोबर लाके आपके सर पे मारेंगे. Even gobar is also available. Gobar, cow dung cakes. If you want cow dung cakes also, it is available in Amazon. Like that, Chailajina Kushottaram. That is Darbhasana. Darbha. Why that dry grass mat is only advised? It works like a anti-conductor. It will not drain your energy down. नहीं तो आप सिर्फ जमीन में बैठिए, ध्यान कीजिए, मन एकाग्रता नहीं आएगा. क्यों? Because all your energy is being drained by the bhumi. So you need something like this wood. Wood is a very good non-conductor of energy. है ना? इसलिए घर में होता है ना लकड़ी का. तो इसी के ऊपर क्यों बैठते हैं? जब होम हवन करेंगे तो ऐसे ही लकड़ी का आसन जो है उसके ऊपर बैठते हैं ना. क्यों बैठते हैं? जब आप जप करेंगे, प्राणायाम करेंगे, कुछ भी करेंगे, एनर्जी आपके अंदर ही रहेगा. जमीन में बैठ के कीजिए, यू सिट ऑन द ग्राउंड एंड डू, all the energy will be drained. But there are some special grounds where your energy will not drain, like Badrinath. आप जाइए बद्रीनाथ में, जहां चाहे वहां बैठिए. Everywhere the earth itself is having full of energy. There you need not use Darbhasana. But here in our places and all you need. And you need to select one place in your room to sit for meditation. Please note it. एक ही जगह में बैठना है आपको. हर दिन एक एक जगह में नहीं बैठना चाहिए. You have to select one place for your meditation. And you have to sit in one position only. You have to use one type of mat only. That mat is your mat. That is what Kushottaram. This is what Krishna is telling. How to meditate. Tatra ekagram manakritva. Then after sitting in one position and sitting on the kusha asana, ekagram manakritva. Make your mind ekagrata, concentrate. Then only concentration will come. Otherwise, making concentration is not easy. If you sit for meditation, your mind is going to wander everywhere. छोड़ दो अपने आप को, छोड़ दो मन को. Like a horse, घोड़े की तरह. घोड़ा है, मैदान है, दौड़ाओ, जहां दौड़ेगा दौड़ने दो. बट बाद में एक ना एक समय में तो काबू में आना ही चाहिए ना. Allow the mind to go away anywhere like horse running everywhere. Then at one point of time, after enjoying everything, now tell your mind, come on now, sit at one place. You have enjoyed everything, no? Come on, stop. This is what done by Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, one fine day, he got the desire of wearing silk jubba. Silk jubba, yeah. And he told his tailor, come on, get me the silk jubba stitched. वो हैरान हो गया, अरे ये स्वामी जी तो कुछ पहनते ही नहीं है, अभी सिल्क जुब्बा सिलाने के लिए बोल रहे? नो 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 नो, बिकॉज ही हैड द डिजायर, नो. So then he wore that, then he stood in front of the mirror, then he told to his mirror mind only, now you see, this is silk jubba. In done, no, now stop, don't desire for this again. निकाल के फेंक दिया बाद में. यही करना है. तत्र एकाग्रम मन कृत्वा. अगर मन भटक रहा है इधर उधर, जो चाहिए मांग तो दे दो, देने के बाद में बोलो अब मिल गया ना तुमको, अब चुपचाप हो जाओ, बेवकूफ बोल के बिठाओ एक जगह में. मन तो बेवकूफ ही है. So this is what Ramakrishna Paramahamsa did. When he got the desire, he could not sleep. Then he asked the tailor to come and stitch in his size. Then after wearing, he stood in front of the mirror. देख लिया ना, यही है सिल्क जुब्बा. हो गया ना, तसल्ली हो गया, अभी बंद करो तुम्हारा नौटंकी, बंद करो बोल के फेंक दिया उसको. This is how you need to console your mind. This is the way. तत्र एकाग्रम मन कृत्वा यथ चित्तेन्द्रिय क्रियः. Control. Have your chitta in one place. Upavishya asane yunjat yogam atmavishuddhaye. Upavishya asane yunjat. You have to sit in one position. Then, how you should sit? Samam kaya shiro grivam dharayan achalam stiraha samprekshya nasikagram swam dishaschanavalokayan. Samam kaya shiro grivam. This is the procedure. You have to make your body straight. Kaya means body. Shiras means head. Griva means neck. All your body, that is the vertebral column, should be in the straight position, 90 degree. Achalam sthiraha. You should not move also. Then concentration should be there on your tip of your nose. Samprekshya nasikagra. Nasikagra, first of all, you don't know which is the tip of your nose. Either is this or this. Which is the tip of your nose? Tip of your nose is this only. Many people don't know how to recognize tip of the nose only. So this is the tip. Concentrate on your tip. If you want to look at into your tip, your both eyeballs will come into the center. Aapka naak ka, that is the tip. Can you see? You should see. See कैसे होता है? दोनों आंख का गोला दोनों एक जगह में आ जाएगा. That is where you develop. Sampreksha nasikagram swam dishaschanavalokayan. Your eyes should be half closed, half open. That should be. That is how you can bring both the eyeballs into the center at one place. This we used to play when we were in childhood. Like this. Bringing both the eyeballs into the center. But that is a concentration thing, is it not? और दूसरा भी एक खेल खेलते थे हम. दूसरे का नजर मिलाना. एक बार देख लो, जब तक आंख से पानी नहीं आता है तब तक देखते रहना है. आपका आंख भी नहीं हिलाना चाहिए. और दिस वाज आल्सो वन कंपटीशन. आंख से इतना पानी आएगा मगर इधर उधर देखेगा नहीं. This is also another way of developing concentration. Ekagrata. So that is how Sampreksha nasikagram swam dishaschanavalokayan prashantatma vigatabihi. Then only your mind is going to calm down. And manasanyam yamachittaha. Then only he can come to me. This is where meditation is going to help you. Yunjannevam sadatmanam yogi netamanasaha. Then only shantim nirbana paramam. Not nirvana, nirbana. Bana means body. This is the old Pata I am talking. नए भगवद गीता में तो निर्वाणा भी लिखा है, मगर निर्बाणा means देहा. After sacrificing this body, after leaving this body, he will come to me only. Mat samstam adhigacchati. Okay, then what are the other features of a yogi? Na ati ashnatastu yogosti. This we will do it in the next class. 16th shloka. Tomorrow I will finish this chapter, definitely. फिर भी देखो आज एक एक श्लोक भी बोलता गया. क्या करूं, ये मेरा बहुत बड़ा वीकनेस है. मैं छोड़ नहीं सकता कुछ भी. जितना होता है सिलेबस उतना ही करो, कोई बात नहीं, वो बहुत ज्यादा ही है एग्जाम के लिए। बट दिस इज हाउ यू नीड टू रीड, बट कंटिन्यू योर रीडिंग फर्दर ऑल्सो। Even after this semester, if you get any free time, if you call me, I am ready to come and teach you. Need not be in the syllabus, but make an oath that you should finish Bhagavad Gita understanding. ये एक जन्म में नहीं होने वाला है, बहुत बहुनाम जन्मनामन्ते ज्ञानवान माम प्रपद्यते 7th चैप्टर में आएगा। ओके, ओम शांति शांति। ओके, 9:48।